We are going on a vacation after, I think, almost 2 years. So we're going to Mexico. I have to really stop doing that. But we are all set, almost packed. Okay, let's go. Hello. Obviously, it's a very long night and we have a very long way to go. I'm not going to make a lot of flight travel video, so I will see you in Mexico. Bye. And we are back in Mexico. Sorry guys, we couldn't record anything after my last video because we traveled for 30 hours. 30 घंटे ट्रैवल करने के बाद मैं कोई भी सिचुएशन में वीडियो नहीं बना पा रही थी, प्लस मेरा बैटरी डाउन था, हम ट्रैफिक में अटके हुए थे 2 घंटे के लिए. सो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक लेट्स नॉट मेक वीडियोस एनी मोर, बट वी आर हियर. इट्स आई थिंक 8 in the morning. हम तैयार होके ऑलरेडी निकल गए हैं घर से. एक्चुअली वी आर गोइंग बैक टू द प्लेस where we last went to. That's the Starbucks. It's one of our favorite hangouts. So we're going there. It's been 7 years since we've come back. So we know almost all the gullies, all the kokchas, everything of all these places. And Mr. here, he knows everything. He also speaks the language, so it's easy. सुबह के 8 बज रहे इसीलिए इतना खाली है ये रास्ता. But this corner of Playa del Carmen is always busy, and that is my favorite church. It's coffee shop. It's amazing after when you come from Dubai and you see these places still the same. The shops are the same. Nothing has changed in 7 years. It's crazy how things last forever. This place has been here for more than 10 years and it hasn't changed. So, yeah. Seems good. Hi everyone. Just wanted to meet all of you and speak to you. Just wanted to get him in the video also because a lot of you keep saying, where is your husband? He never talks in the video and everything. Would you like to say something?
We are very happy to be back here. I think the last time we came here was 7 years ago. Loving Mexico and loving to be back here.
So that is my man. He's vegan, by the way. I'm 95%.
Nice to meet you.
And he wants to go. Everywhere you go in Mexico, everything is so colorful. Look at the art. Even that is so colorful. It's beautiful. The people in Mexico are always so smiley and happy. I mean, they're always so friendly. They're so chirpy. It's amazing to see smiles early in the morning. But before I take you back to where we are staying, I will show you the beach. Luis and me have spent a lot of time on this beach. पर हमने बहुत सुना है कि यहाँ पे seaweed का issue हो रहा है. And this is what I'm talking about. Seaweed collect होता है. There's a lot of seaweed coming to the shores and they get collected and they have to keep cleaning up all the time. I think this definitely shows us that global warming is real. I mean, these are the beaches where it was just blue water, like clear water, and it was just so blue. और अब हालत देखो. But I mean, what can you do? It's in nobody's control. They're trying to do their best in cleaning up the beaches as much as possible. But yeah, it is just disheartening, yeah. And then they say there's no global warming. We just saw, and our heart is broken with the kind of situation is on the beaches, because this was probably one of the most cleanest beaches, nicest waters. Yeah, so we're basically heartbroken. global warming, guys. We really need to think about this.
Now, just because we won't be using the beach so much doesn't mean that we don't come to Playa del Carmen. It is one of the most coolest and the most happening places to be. And haha, we have come for grocery shopping. But I think my husband is busy buying fruits and veggies. Let me go look for him and I will show him what I have found myself.
It's 9 a.m. and you're probably wondering why I am showing you the clock. I just want to show you where I am. We are at the gym. Yaar, if you are going to do a holiday for at least a month or maybe more than a month, then I think this is just the basic what we can do. Look at my husband. So yeah, workout is a must no matter where you go. है ना? This is going to be our apartment and even though हम लोग रह चुके हैं यहाँ पे, मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगी. हमेशा याद रखना, in Mexico, whenever you are in Mexico, you have to lock your doors. So I'm going to lock my doors. So I'm going to take you up. Let's go.
First things first, I'm going to take you to the kitchen. It is fully equipped. You can see like this full-size fridge and then a microwave, TV, a nice small dining table just for the two of us, and then a couch. I'm going to take you now to the bathroom. You don't have to see too much of this. ये आपको देखने की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो चलो बेडरूम में. अब मेरे हस्बैंड को हाय बोलते हैं, हेलो. और ये एक छोटा सा रूम है जिसको हमने चेंजिंग रूम बना दिया है. Of course, I will show you myself. And now let's take you to the best part of the house. It is my favorite place ever.
This is all to ourselves, and we spend quite a lot of time in here in the day. What a beautiful day! तो बेसिकली हम लोग यहाँ पे बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं. अभी तो बहुत कड़कती हुई धूप आई है. Obviously we are going out today, so we are not going to be here, but this is where we spend maximum amount of time when we are in Mexico. Obviously the beach, but video में आपने देखा होगा the situation of the beach, and that's why we can't spend a lot of time in sun, sand and sea. But obviously we're making most of this space here. Okay, I have got to stop doing that. And then we decided हम लोग बीच जाके ज़रा walk करके आते हैं. And look what we see. They have cleaned up the beaches. It's amazing how hard everyone is working to clean up all the seaweed that comes to the shore. But however hard they work and how much ever they keep removing the seaweed, it keeps coming back. You know, sometimes we just need to sit and think about what we are doing to this world and about global warming. It's all real, you know. It is affecting us day to day. But be thankful, be grateful for the life that you have. And that's all I want to say for now. We're gonna go for dinner.
This is the first days of our trip, and I'm going to enjoy my dinner with my husband. And I will keep making videos to show you Mexico in general. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.